Yes, sir. Welcome back. Boss up, man. With another one. You see the title, you see the thumbnail. Pace. We're gonna hop on in right into it. No long intros. Let's see how you can make over $90,000 driving a car, SUV, or sprinter van. True? Believe that? No. Let's see. All right, so we are in the Pace USA website. Let's see what it's about here, man. Pace Drive US. Did a video about this last year, but we're gonna do another one for 2023. A couple people hit me up about questions about this company, and actually just applied for a position. Real simple, straightforward process. I'm gonna tell you about that and show you the Indeed and some other websites that have some more information about Pace and how reputable this company is. I think you guys will really like this one. But first, we got to check out their location. So Atlanta, Birmingham, Charlotte, Dallas, Huntsville, Montgomery. Looks like majority of Southeast locations: Georgia, Louisiana, Alabama, over to Texas. I did see some other information that they are in the Michigan area, so probably close to Detroit. You might can have something, but if you're not in the Southeast, then sorry, you can go ahead and check out. But before you do, go ahead and hit that like button, also the subscribe button, because I got more than just this video in this area, in this region. I got plenty of videos for you guys to get rolling, so I appreciate you being here and hitting that like button and subscribe. Helps me get out to a wider audience and get everybody moving and everybody being bosses and bossing up the whole country. All right, so we see a couple of positions here: Chattanooga, Kentucky, some in Norcross. This is the one I did, the Riverdale Road. I'm in Riverdale South, where ECO Suites is. So I think that'll be a good one for me. Here's the one for box trucks. So they list these specifically. The one that says courier driver could be, vans or smaller vehicles, SUVs. But the box trucks, they want specific for box trucks. People who own box trucks already. Are you established contract carrier? Yes or no? So if you already got your MC, already got some stuff already rolling, you probably can get on a lot faster and get rolling a lot faster. But a lot of their routes are local, so you don't need an MC, you don't need a DOT number. So here is the application I filled out. We'll just hit continue. Thank you for submitting. Like I said, it was real easy. It took less than 5 minutes to knock out maybe 3 pages. They basically want your name, address, phone number, real basic information. They did ask for salary expectations. But no driver license, no social security number had to put in. You don't have to worry about that until later on into the process. But go ahead, fill this out for your region. They'll let you know what market you want to apply for, so you can select your market. And tomorrow I am going to I'll probably actually wait till Monday. I'm going to wait till Monday, and I'm actually going to call this company and have them pull my resume directly and see if I can kind of force some things on along if I don't hear anything back before then. We got to go to Indeed, yes, Indeed. And here's one, Pace. Here's their full company name, Pace Runners Inc. out of Marietta. This one's saying $92,000 a year, so that's where you see that thumbnail saying over $90,000 a year. That's what they say they paying. I mean, I don't know. I mean, we're going to find out. But they want you to work from 8:30 to 6:30, 5 days a week. Independent contractor, up to 150 miles round trip. It seems like a lot of pay for a little bit of money, but that's just what they're, what they suggest. I'm pretty sure other people may say other things. Let's see if we can figure out some salary expectations. But driving, almost $2,000 a week. That'll probably get you up there. Independent driver, $1,100 a week. That's a little bit more like it. That sounds like what most van drivers, most SUV drivers make, around that amount a week. That puts you around the 45 on up a year range. And then here goes some other places, some other regions up to 70. So I mean, it's still good pay. I mean, just for driving a car or a van, you're still making a lot more than a lot of people are making. Even some people in some higher skilled positions, people with degrees like teachers and stuff, are making a lot more than they are. Local drivers. So they got all type of salary. Here's one for $14.50. This one for $32 an hour. So it kind of varies, I guess, depending on the type of vehicle you're driving. Here's going to work 6 days a week, and to pay all the expenses here is in Alabama. 2 months, I put 20,000 miles on my van. Okay, you let them pimp you, bro. Watch your wallet and expenses. Looks like they are paying $1,600 advanced auto accounts count. Yeah. Okay. Here goes some other details. But that's what they're saying. How much they're paying out here. Let's see if we can find some more information. Here goes some Facebook information. They've been around for a while. There's some extra phone numbers, some extra email addresses. So I'm going to email and call them so I can get rolling a lot faster, so I can get the ball moving. I'm trying to be rolling with pace before March, hopefully. Seems like a good company. I saw that they do auto parts delivery. I just did a video about me doing auto parts delivery with another company. So I can get a contract with this one and pass it on to another driver. That'll be great. I can keep a little bit of the difference and everybody wins. If you guys want me to help you find loads and positions for your area, I'll do that. Just leave a comment down below. If I haven't done the state or area already, I'll do it for you guys. And if you want like more one-on-one consults, need to find you something directly that'll fit for your situation, I can do that. It will be a small fee, but I'm sure you won't mind that for taking up my time, and I wouldn't mind that for helping you guys out. Definitely won't be over $50 for a quick little consultation. And once you do a consult with me, you locked in with me for life, man. I won't never forget you. Won't never forgive. The time and energy you spent for your hard-earned money giving it to me. So I'm gonna always look out for you. I'm gonna always try my best to any information I got on any type thing about leveling up out the 9-to-5 rat race here on Boss Up with K. I'm gonna give it to you. All right, so I don't want to make this video too long. That's the bulk of the information. Like I said, driving with pace. You can drive your car, your SUV, your Sprinter van, your semi, your box truck. They take it all. Unfortunately, they're only in the Southeast. So until next time, man. Boss up, baby.